minutes, I think.
Hello everyone, today me and my friends are gonna be showing the cube exploding. Okay? 3 minutes until the explosion happens, and it's gonna last for 5 minutes in total. Okay.
I'd say ready up now.
Okay, you two ready up. You two ready up. I'm gonna say
What
now.
happens if it takes a while to get?
And now.
Yeah, we're going now. We're going now.
We're gonna jump.
We're gonna
put
try
it into the lobby.
Yeah.
Guys, let's just it'll probably take 3 minutes. I think it's gonna take long to get into a game.
Okay.
If we fail this time, it's probably
Depends.
Yeah, just try and hang around the tornado and stay in the sky for as long as you can.
Yeah, if someone kills you, don't leave. Just spectate.
Yeah.
Because it's now or never.
See you starting our spawn island.
2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes.
I love
swear,
the game crashes or something.
Okay. Yo guys, I'm so hyped. Got my cube outfit. I'm ready. Let's do this thing. 2 more minutes, everyone. It's gonna be a close one.
Oh, hi guys.
It's gonna be a close one, everyone. 2 minutes.
Maliki? Hello?
Okay. 2 minutes. 1 minute remaining, everyone. Everyone ready? Everyone's gonna be coming here. Don't try and get a weapon, and just... You mustn't fail this. One time event, everyone. Stay in the sky, eh?
Guys?
As the amount of people going in this one single position is insane. Bro, look at how many people. Oh my gosh.
Okay, guys.
People are gonna be getting weapons, eh?
Wow.
Okay, guys.
We have to leave. Sorry, but we cannot.
Look at how many people there are. People are gonna be shooting everyone. Everyone be ready. It's happening, guys. It's gonna happen. It's hit 8 o'clock, aka 6. For the UTC time.
Okay. Okay.
Let's get shot. We're focusing. I saw grass forming on the island.
Oh, great.
I hope people don't shoot it. Please don't shoot it.
It should be.
Whoa.
Okay, there it is. Okay,
That's
guys.
just lightning for the sports. That's just lightning. That's lightning.
Okay. Something. Okay. Okay, the cube is just gonna be changed and resume.
Guys, and the circle's on us. Everything's going well. I think it's happening.
Jesus.
Yeah, it's happening, everyone. It's happening.
Okay. Wow.
Whoa.
Okay, it's going around. It's going around. Shoot, it's going around.
Whoa. It's spinning. It's spinning. And it's not stopping. It's never stopping. It's just I'm being hit by thousands of players right now. Try and get a safe zone.
Okay, guys.
Here it goes.
Guys, what's happening?
It's going so quickly right now. It's
Elliot,
losing all its juice.
Elliot, quickly!
Oh my gosh! What is happening?
What the hell is going on?
I'm lagging so much.
Oh!
What the?
What?
Can't see anything. I actually can't see anything.
Oh my god, it's a cutscene.
What the?
Cutscene.
Is anyone else seeing this? Is anyone else seeing what I'm seeing?
I'm seeing it. Yeah, it's
We're
weird.
stuck in this white zone.
No, no, no. Okay, guys. Oh god.
Can anyone else see this? Like all this whiteness.
How are we gonna get out of here?
I think we have to reach the middle.
No, wait,
Guys,
something's
it's happening.
Wait.
A rift. A rift. Maybe it's gonna launch the rocket. The rocket. I think it's coming.
Oh my god, the rocket's back, man! No, I'm joking.
Come on.
Oh, but it's a
It's a
butterfly.
butterfly. This is amazing. What the? Where? What is it doing?
Yeah. Okay, this is...
It's making noises. What?
my character.
I think all of our characters have gone insane.
My character's playing
In cinematic mode. Whoa! Lava lake?
Oh my god. What?
What has happened?
What is happening?
No way.
Gee.
Look at all the new chests. This is like dried up.
Wow, this is a new event.
What has happened?
Okay, I'm sorry for this.
This is amazing.
Not surprising.
I so want I can't, I'm so happy I can upload this video. Oh my gosh. Defaults everywhere. This is amazing. I'm dying. I'm actually dying. Oh, shit. Default done. No!
Look what's happening to the lake.
He's coming for me.
Okay, I'm...
Help us. Save me. Heal me. Heal me. I've got no gun.
Jeez, they take the action.
Help us.
I believe in you, man. I believe.
No, why are you bullying me? Oh. Oh my gosh, guys, that was so amazing.
Okay, wow.
Okay, everyone, I hope you enjoyed that video. That was spectacular. Oh my goodness, that was amazing. I've never seen a single event like that happen. Like, that was so cool. No way, bruh. The leaky lake is dried lake now. There's no such thing as water anymore. It's dried lake now. No way. That was significant. Wow. Guys, hope you'll enjoy the video and remember to like and subscribe. Bye.